Hello everyone. Today let's see the recipe of Kanda Batata Poha or Kanda Poha. This is one of the staple breakfast recipes from Maharashtra. It is an easy, quick and healthy option for breakfast, brunch or as an evening snack. There are many recipes for this dish. In this video, I shall share my version of making it and the way usually I prepare it at my home. So, let's see the recipe. For this, we can either use white or red rice flakes, that is poha. Take about 2 cups of poha in a strainer and rinse it under running water. Do not overdo it, else it may turn mushy. Always ensure to use thick variant of poha and not the thin one. Now, let's see the ingredients. 2 medium-sized onions, 1/4 cup of peanuts, 1 medium-sized potato cut into cubes, 3 to 4 green chilies, a few curry leaves and lemon juice from half a piece of lemon. Apart from this, we would also need half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and cumin seeds for seasoning. Now, to begin with, I'll be frying the peanuts in little oil. We can also dry roast them. Fry or roast them till they turn crunchy. They are done. Now we can transfer them to a plate. In the same pan, if needed, add little more oil and fry the potatoes till they are crisp and golden. In the meanwhile, add half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar and mix well and set aside. Potatoes are done. Now let's take them out. Now, in the same pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Then add half teaspoons of mustard and once it splutters, add half teaspoons of cumin seeds. Once they are roasted well, add the green chilies and curry leaves along with onions. Add little salt and fry the onions till they are soft and translucent. Also add around half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing along with half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well and add the fried peanuts along with the poha mixture. Mix everything very well so that the spices get combined with poha and it absorbs all the flavor. If you feel that the poha is way too dry, we can sprinkle little water, but ensure that the poha doesn't turn mushy after the water is added. Now, add the fried potatoes and mix well. Cover the pan and let it rest on low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add the lemon juice and mix well. Finally, garnish with lots of coriander leaves and fresh coconut. The dish is now ready. You may serve it with a hot cup of tea or coffee along with your favorite savory like farsan, mixture or save, and start your day with this light yet nutritious and satisfying breakfast dish. Do try this for your next day's breakfast and leave your comments. If you liked it, please do share with your friends and family. Thank you.